Chris, Brush Creek is still very full tonight, but much calmer than it has been. That has also been the case for several homeowners who are finally drying out after a very wet and soggy week.
And it just kept coming in at a quick rate.
Heavy rain last week left the Legg family with wet floors, damaged mattresses, and quite a mess.
Our sump pump failed and the flooding started here and moved all the way throughout the basement.
3 inches of water destroyed months of work to Matt Legg's basement.
Well, we had to remove the baseboard and then we drilled vent holes.
The Overland Park homeowner just had it finished in July. Fans and humidifiers are temporarily part of the decor.
Oftentimes you either get groundwater penetration through the foundation or you get sump pump failure. Those are the two most common sources for basement flooding, especially with the events we've had last week through the weekend.
Finally dry after financially and emotionally draining week.
It was a lot of work getting things out, but everything's dried out now and we can start the rebuilding process and putting our basement back together.
And here is something to keep in mind. Experts say if you find yourself with a flooded basement, it typically takes about 3 days for all that moisture to turn into mold. Reporting live in Kansas City, Taisha Walker, KMBC 9 News.